Pain affects every one of us at one time or another, but for those who suffer chronic pain and traditional therapies have failed, well, there might now be some hope.
Health anchor Monica Robbins shows us a new drug-free method of relieving pain that can work in just 5 minutes.
Well, we all have two main reflex responses. The withdrawal, where maybe you touch a hot stove and pull back, and the startle, where you try to catch yourself when you're falling, for example. Your body tenses during these reflexes, and sometimes it never relaxes. That can lead to pain, and often you may not even know what caused it. Well, there's a new method to reboot the body.
So you can lie on your back.
A few years ago, 14-year-old Arissa Kyler fell flat on her back. Since then, she's been in constant pain.
It feels like all knotted, like things are rubbing against each other and muscles are just turning over and tight and everything. Hard to move sometimes.
Traditional therapies failed her, so she's hoping a new technique brings relief.
I can be normal again, just so that I don't have to keep going to doctors.
It's called Primal Reflex Release Techniques, or PRRT.
Technically, we could do one technique. If it's the right technique, everything clears, and everything clears within a matter of seconds.
Physical therapist Thom Krupar is one of a handful in the state trained in this procedure.
But really works well for any kind of pain, chronic pain, post-surgical pain, trauma. Ooh, there's a big one.
On the left side.
Yeah.
First, he finds Arissa's pain trigger points, then begins releasing her reflexes.
So what I'm doing is I'm making one of the reflexes just calm down.
It takes about 5 minutes.
Well, the treatment is completely painless. It's immediate. We know right away. We don't waste a lot of time. It's very rare for me to treat or use these techniques more than 2 visits if I'm not seeing a significant improvement.
For the first time in years, Arissa can touch her toes without pain.
It's all looser and easier to move. It doesn't feel as tight anymore.
How about there?
A few months ago, a tailgater rear-ended Teresa Cox's car.
Every day it hurts.
Even after therapy, her neck and back still hurt. But after a few minutes of reflex release...
How do you feel?
Better.
Better.
It's looser in my neck, and then it feels better in my back.
In Canton, Monica Robbins, Channel 3 News.
Krupar says depending on the situation, relief can be permanent or additional treatments may be needed. It's also covered by most insurance. Now, to learn more or find a therapist near you, you can log on to our website, WKYC.